I found something at my doorstep. Let's open this mystery gift together. It's making a rumbling sound. I wonder if it's a chocolate egg with a toy inside. Nope. Maybe it's a dinosaur egg? There is definitely something in there. Mama Dinosaur wants to inspect it. It's not hers. Oh, I guess it's too big to be a spider's egg. Ah, I got it. It's a big chicken egg with a surprise. Oh wow, colorful eggs! Not just 1 or 2, but 6 eggs! Amazing! We don't need the big shell anymore. Look! Our friends want to play with it! The orange egg is smiling at us. I wonder what's inside. And you? We don't need the whisk right now. Let's carefully crack the egg into the bowl. Wow! It's a green little chicken! It looks like the mama hen is surprised by its color. So where shall we put it? The green chick has a circle at the bottom. This is its place. The chick jumps happily. It means we guessed right. Let's turn the switch to number 1. Next is the green egg. Let's help the chicken inside. This one is bright orange. Let's see, where is its little home? It's a heart. Then this is the right place. And we are getting the second point. Yay! We passed the level number 2. Oh no! Is the pink egg crying? Or is it just the chick wants to come out? Meet our new friend. We should call it purple. There is a place for this one here, with a square. Here it is! Let's see if we are right. Yes! We are already at number 3. Great! Now let's find out what is in the yellow egg. I will use a fork. This part goes into the bowl. Wow! It's a cute blue chicken! What is its favorite shape? It's a star. And the blue chicken goes here. It's so cute! We found 4 chickens. We can move the switch to number 4. And here comes the purple egg! Wow! The chicken opened it itself! Thanks for help, number 5. Oh, I love this pink color! We don't want it to run away. Let's find a place with a triangle. It should go right here. You are doing great, friends! Now we can turn the switch to number 5. This is our last egg. Blue. The little chicken hatched already. Look, it's yellow, just like the sun. Let's find out its shape. A cross. Here it is, waiting for the chicken. Yay! They all are together now! We did great! We have 6 chicks here. It means we can turn the switch to number 6. Bye-bye, little ones. Go to your mama hen. And we are going to use our mixer right now. I decided to make a fruit pie. Will you join me? To cut the fruit, we will need a cutting board and a small knife. The green apple goes first. Check this out! Barbie decided to play Snow White. Don't worry, friends! Barbie was just joking. We will need just 1 slice of apple. Great! Let's put it into the bowl. Now, it's time for the next fruit. It's a pear. Ooh, it's not an easy task. A piece of pear goes into the bowl. Our pie will be tasty! Now I want to cut a strawberry. Oh, whipped cream! This will be a great addition. Uh-oh, someone took the strawberry away. There you are, little prankster. Do you like strawberry too? We are going to need just a half of it. And it goes right here. Great! Next one will be banana. It's already peeled. Hi, monkey. I know that you like bananas. That's why I have some more for you. Bye-bye. Don't eat them all at once. We will cut only 1 slice of this yellow banana for our pie. Just look at these fruit. What shall we add next? I know, a kiwi. Oh, it's that birdie! Hi there! Do you want to try kiwi? Just wait a bit and I will share it with you. Here you go. Bon appetit! And the second half of kiwi goes right here. We have only one fruit left! It's a watermelon! Oh, hello. Where did you come from, Mr. Bunny? I heard that bunnies like to beat the drum. Oh! I was right! Let's get back to our watermelon. To me, it smells like summer. And we're done with fruit. Now we need some sugar. Just 1 spoon is more than enough. Too much sugar is really not good for your teeth. And I almost forgot about the butter. We just need 1 small piece. The last thing is the dry cake mixture. I will add it really carefully so I don't make a mess here. Now let's mix it really good. It's coming out great. It looks awesome, but I want more colors. We need sprinkles. The batter is ready. Let's bake it in the oven. We will going to have to wait for a while. Ta-da! Our cake is ready. We can take it out. Here's a perfect plate for it. Do you know what comes next? Right, decorations! Barbie, do you want to help us or eat the decor? I know it looks pretty, but it's for the cake. Why, thank you very much. We just need to add some chocolate. It's a must. These bunnies will look so good on our cake. Hey, hold on, Mr. Bunny. I wasn't talking about you. We are using chocolate bunnies. Now our cake is ready. Let's set up the table. This one is a cherry cupcake. And this is the tastiest strawberry ice cream. Look what I have here. It's ice maker for the drinks. I can add some to your cups, too. There you go. Now we all can enjoy the juice. Sounds great to me. Let's try the cake that we've made all together. Barbie, did you decide to join us? Welcome! Here's a cake for you! Whoa, I guess you really liked it. Go ahead and try everything here. Thank you for cooking with me today. Give this video a like and subscribe. Bye-bye!
Hello, my furry friend. What's this odd-looking contraption?
Hiya, Ellery. This is Chef Thorne's big slushy fountain, cherry flavor.
Cherries, such a boring fruit.
You can't fool me, Chipmunk. You're here to sneak a slushie. Well, forget it. This is for the butterfly pageant.
Pageant? That's all you ladybugs ever talk about. I don't even like slushies, whatever they are.
He's up to something. Bucky, we're not leaving this fountain until the pageant is over.
But that's not until tomorrow.
Then we better get comfortable.
Awesome!
It's here! The hummingbird bus is finally here!
Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare for landing. It's a warm, sunny day in Lilybud Village. We hope you had a pleasant flight on the Hummingbird Bus.
Welcome to Lilybird Village. We'll be hosting you, Miss Vanessa. The Vanessa. Oh, you're honored to meet me, I'm sure. No, definitely not. She'll do. I'll stay with this one. You will? I mean, thank you, Vanessa. The Vanessa, your honor.
Hello, everyone. I'm Claw. It seems I'm all legs these days.
Oh, I'm Thistle. Let me help you.
Do you happen to have an ice pack?
Yes, in 6 different colors. I'm Penelope. Pleased to meet you all. I'm Rose. Why don't you stay with me? My house is small but cozy. Thank you. That sounds perfect. We thought you'd all like to rest a little after your journey, and then we'll meet back here later. Here's my house. Take it nice and slow. Just a few more steps. Oh, watch out for that root. Don't worry, Claude. I have lots more bandages inside. Over here. No, here. Scrub harder. Never mind. Turning into a prune. Towel. Oh, right here. Nice and soft. And lilac scented. Presenting the Vanessa. Vanessa needs so much attention, I barely have time to sit down. Well, Claude's a walking disaster. I've even run out of bandages. Me? I guess I got lucky. Penelope and I had so much fun. We sure did. We picked petunias and played ping pong. Hello, I'm here. Let's start. Thank you, Vanessa. Greetings, everyone. It's time to rehearse for the pageant. Moss? Don't mention it. Constant praise can be so boring. Yay! I see what you mean, Rose. Penelope's wonderful! What do you think you're doing?
Working it my way.
Well, you can stop that right now. You don't belong in this pageant.
I know I'm a bit plain, but...
No, but go along quietly. I think that's enough rehearsal for tonight. Where's my girl? I need a foot massage. All 6 of them.
Butterfly pageant.
Penelope, is something wrong? Are you crying?
Vanessa proposed that I not participate in the pageant because of my appearance. Perhaps she's right.
I can't believe Vanessa said that to Penelope. I can. That caterpillar is mean. If only there was something we could say to make Penelope feel better. Oh, Penelope, there are some people out here with something to say to you. You're funny and talented, and take it from me, graceful. Thistle's right, and I think it's wonderful the way your teeth stick out so randomly.
I like the way you dance. It's so, awkward.
Believe me, it's what's inside that counts. Lilac, my fuzz isn't going to comb itself.
Penelope, I think you're peachy.
Okay, I'll participate.
It's time to say goodbye to our caterpillar friends as they spin their cocoons to become butterflies.
Tummy hurts bad.
Sorry, Ellery, but that's what you get for taking what's not yours. Come on, Bucky. I've got more slushie at the buttercup.
The cocoons are opening! Everyone, wake up!
Oh, here comes Claude. Hey, everybody. Yay! Look, now it's Vanessa.
Polite clapping? I mean, where's the gasping, the oohing, and awing? Look, Penelope! Cheers, Claude! Yay! Penelope, look at yourself.
Whoa, that's me?
What happened to my gorgeous looks?
Anybody want a fresh fruit slushie?
Would you lend me one of your towels? I want to wrap myself in one and hide. I'm so plain. No one's going to want to be seen with me.
You don't need to do that. Beauty is on the inside, too, you know. And I bet Penelope can teach you a thing or two about that. Go on, join them. You're a butterfly. This is your pageant.
Thank you, Lilac.
Oh, I'm exhausted. Never again. Wasn't that amazing? I can't wait for next year's pageant.
Huh?